She laughed when he said he'd represent himself. The judge, the prosecutor, even the courtroom snickered. But they had no idea who they were dealing with. Because by the time he finished speaking, the courtroom wasn't laughing. It was silent. 18-year-old Mateo Hill didn't look like much in court. Thin frame, second-hand suit, hands slightly trembling as he stood. Charged with grand theft auto and resisting arrest, he faced years behind bars. No lawyer, just himself. The judge leaned forward with a smirk. "You sure you don't want a real attorney?" Mateo looked her in the eye. "I've reviewed the evidence. I'm ready." The courtroom chuckled. Even the prosecutor, Mr. Langston, grinned. This won't take long. But it did. And every second shattered their assumptions. When the first witness, Officer Daniels, claimed he saw Mateo hotwiring a car from 20 feet away at night, Mateo calmly asked for a photo of the dashboard. "Wires aren't visible from outside, are they?" Daniels fumbled. The jury leaned forward. Next came the car owner, Mrs. Rawlings. "It was stolen from my driveway," she insisted. But under cross, she admitted there were no signs of forced entry. "So," Mateo said, "either your car wasn't stolen or someone had a key." Then he called a surprise witness, her husband. Nervous and shifting in his seat, Mr. Rawlings confessed he'd lent the car to his nephew. The courtroom gasped. "No theft." Mateo said, "Just a misunderstanding no one checked." "But what about resisting arrest?" That's when Mateo told the real story. The plainclothes officer who arrested him never identified himself, just shouted, grabbed, and cuffed him. "I ran because I thought I was being mugged," Mateo said, voice clear. "I wasn't resisting arrest. I was trying not to get hurt." Then Mateo did something no one expected. He testified. Calm, precise, passionate. He broke down every lie, every assumption, every lazy piece of so-called evidence. By the end, the jury wasn't skeptical. They were stunned. When the verdict was read, not guilty, on all counts. And as Mateo walked out, the judge called him back. "You exposed a broken system," she said. "You ever think about law school?" Mateo smiled. "I am now. If you believe in standing up even when the odds are against you, like, share, and subscribe. Drop this comment, Power in Truth.